Ready to unlock seamless financial connections across your favorite apps? We're diving into how to securely link your bank account using Plaid, the behind-the-scenes technology that makes connecting your financial world a breeze. First, within the app you're using, look for the Connect with Plaid, Link Bank Account, or similar button. This is your gateway to the Plaid interface. Give it a tap. Now, you'll see Plaid's interface. You can either scroll through the list of popular banks or use the search bar at the top to quickly find yours. Just type in the name of your bank and select it from the search results. Plaid will then present you with your bank's familiar login screen. Enter your online banking username and password, exactly as you would when logging into your bank's website directly. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to complete a multi-factor authentication step, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. This is an extra layer of security to protect your information. Next, you'll see a list of your accounts at that bank. Choose the specific account or accounts you want to connect to the app. After selecting your accounts, you should see a confirmation screen indicating that your account is successfully linked, and that's it. You've connected your bank account using Plaid. Remember, Plaid uses bank-level security to protect your data. Always be mindful of the apps you connect and review their privacy policies to understand how your data is being used.